So I'm probably not liking how close it is up. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be for the next character. I am not going to be doing the clips this morning because it's already 6, probably like 6:30, and I don't have time because Connor will be waking up and be wanting to mess with all these lights and camera and everything. But I decided to go ahead and try and film the makeup look I'll be using and get the outfit. I don't have the full outfit on yet. I will have it on for my blog my blog images, which is unroyalrenee.com. And yeah, so I guess I'll just get started with the eye makeup because I do that first before the other makeup. So to start off, I'm going to be using the Rock Nudes palette by Maybelline. I really like this palette. I like how the colors actually show up because I don't have a lot of those. So the color I am going to be going in with is either probably, I think I'm gonna go in with, I think I'll go with this color right here for my eye makeup. So I'm just gonna set that down, and this is gonna go all over my lid. Okay guys, so you guessed it, my camera cut out, and I just added that shade. I guess I'll show it again. Also, don't mind my lip. Yeah, I think it was a zit, but lip zits are, sounds weird. Lip zits are annoying, but again, I just went in with that color on my lid. And now, to finish the eyeshadow, I'm going to go in with the copper color again. I mean, for this look and for the first one. On the crease, kind of, like above that shadow. Now I'm about to apply mascara. I don't know if you got the part about my lip. I think I mentioned it. I just want to mention that so no one ask. Not that nobody comments or anything, so. There's not a lot of mascara in this. So next I'm going to use this Rimmel lipstick called Me Crazy in the shade 620. And it's a red-ish, I guess. Looks kind of orangey red to me. It's kind of messy, so just going to set that down. It's a bit messy, but that's okay. It's alright. So when it comes to lipstick, I like to barely do any because I'm very bad at putting some on. Oh my goodness. Anyone? Okay, next. What is next? I guess I'll go with highlighting. So I mentioned this palette, This is probably the only highlight that I have, so that's why I use it for highlight. It is the Dirty Girl Cosmetics Contour and Highlighting Kit. And I think today I'll go for this highlighter. I forgot the name of it. Hang on. This one is called Pale Gold. Is it? Yeah. Pale Gold is what I'll be using for my highlight. Because who doesn't like a cute little highlight? Get both sides. Put it on. Not sure if I mentioned this at the beginning, but the reason why I'm doing the character's makeup is because it's also for vlog images. I do believe I mentioned that. I was just trying to remind myself is all. Don't mind me. And sometimes I like to put one above the lip. On the chin. Okay guys, that is all for this character's look. I may or may not do a winged eyeliner. I don't know. I think it'll look a little better with a winged eyeliner in my personal opinion. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed these. I talk so weird. I hope you guys enjoyed this character's look. If you are wanting the outfit look, you can go on my blog post. I never mention clothing in my blog post because I just feel like I get it from basic places like Walmart or Shein or Romley. Yeah, this dress, it's a dress. It's very short because a lot of their dresses are pretty short, but I like to have it in for a tucked in look or something. But yeah, it's from Shein.com. So yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in my next video. If you haven't, please subscribe and apparently you need to click the bell to get notified if you enjoyed these videos. To be honest with you, I'm probably not going to be making a lot of makeup videos. It's like the last thing I want to do because I just don't like making makeup videos. I just thought I would for these characters because I won't be getting the video up, and I want to because I gotta get more clips. And yeah, make sure you follow my blog on unroyalrenee.com. And hopefully my camera didn't cut out because it's known for that. And I'm just gonna get some thumbnail pictures because I didn't in my last video. Oh, let's fix this hair first. Fix that hair. Bye guys. Bye!